So the next question we have is, what legal entity should I use to buy the business? And again, very lawyer question, but it depends. Depends on the business you're looking at buying. It depends on your personal situation. Depends on your goals and your growth goals, etc. And there's a few things that need to fall in line for you to determine ultimately what the best structure is for you to move forward with your purchase, and that's tax minimisation strategies that are available to you, asset protection, and also just commercial considerations. You don't want to put in a super complex structure when it's not necessary, because that comes with costs and just compliance and everything like that. A very typical structure for a sale of business would be a company structure that provides asset protection subject to director duties and obligations associated with the company. And then you would typically have a shareholder of a discretionary trust, a family discretionary trust, if you do have the ability to stream income to various beneficiaries. Or just another holding entity, another holding company. If you don't have, tax minimisation sort of benefits of a family discretionary trust, and you can use that holding entity to then invest elsewhere, depending on the risks associated with that.
And if you were going into business with somebody not within your family, but you still wanted the benefits of the trust, we can look at unit trusts, for example, which are another well-used entity to buy businesses.
Yeah. So it just definitely depends on the person's situation.
It's really a way up here between our legal protections for our clients versus accounting protections. So it pays to talk, or have the lawyers and the accountants talking on this one.
Yeah, definitely. So and the decision should be made prior to the sale agreement being executed. So consult your solicitors and accountants. We like to get the accountants involved definitely on structuring advices, just because the tax minimisation benefit of certain structures is significant, or can be. So get everyone involved at the beginning, because if you put a structure in place and then want to try and restructure or sell, restructure into a different entity, there are CGT implications typically, and also maybe some logistical issues. So you want to make sure that you're having that conversation with your lawyer and accountant as soon as possible, basically.